Welcome to Triviafy.
Think you know the world's most famous cities? Let's see if you can get all 35 questions right. Most people can't. Ready? Let's go.
Which one of these is a city in Ireland? Answer: A. Dublin. Which one of these is a city in France? Answer: D. Paris. Which one of these is a city in Japan? Answer: C. Tokyo. Which one of these is a city in Australia? Answer: D. Canberra. Which one of these is a city in Canada? Answer: D. Ottawa. Which one of these is a city in USA? Answer: C. Washington, D.C. Which one of these is a city in Brazil? Answer: C. Brasilia. Which one of these is a city in Italy? Answer: A. Rome. Which one of these is a city in Germany? Answer: A. Berlin. Which one of these is a city in Spain? Answer: A. Madrid. Which one of these is a city in India? Answer: A. New Delhi. Which one of these is a city in China? Answer: A. Beijing. Which one of these is a city in Russia? Answer: B. Moscow. Which one of these is a city in Egypt? Answer: D. Cairo. Which one of these is a city in Mexico? Answer: D. Mexico City. Which one of these is a city in Turkey? Answer: A. Ankara. Which one of these is a city in South Africa? Answer C. Pretoria. Which one of these is a city in Argentina? Answer B. Buenos Aires. Which one of these is a city in Thailand? Answer D. Bangkok. Which one of these is a city in Kenya? Answer A. Nairobi. Which one of these is a city in UAE? Answer A. Abu Dhabi. Which one of these is a city in Netherlands? Answer C. Amsterdam. Which one of these is a city in Sweden? Answer D. Stockholm. Which one of these is a city in Norway? Answer B. Oslo. Which one of these is a city in Denmark? Answer D. Copenhagen. Which one of these is a city in Switzerland? Answer D. Bern. Which one of these is a city in Poland? Answer B. Warsaw. Which one of these is a city in Portugal? Answer C. Lisbon. Which one of these is a city in Belgium? Answer C. Brussels. Which one of these is a city in Austria? Answer B. Vienna. Which one of these is a city in Scotland? Answer C. Edinburgh. Which one of these is a city in New Zealand? Answer B. Wellington. Which one of these is a city in Saudi Arabia? Answer B. Riyadh. Which one of these is a city in Indonesia? Answer C. Jakarta. Which one of these is a city in Malaysia? Answer C. Kuala Lumpur.
Great job! How many out of 35 did you get right? Drop your score in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more daily, easy trivia questions and answers. See you next challenge.